io mi chiamo Maria e sto preparando i fusilli. E per fare i fusilli ci vuole questo ferro e più la pasta si fa così.
Maria is an experienced fusilli maker. Her mother first gave her a piece of dough to play with when she was 4. Maria likes to use a 50-50 mix of semolina and soft wheat flours. She adds water, some olive oil for flavour, but no eggs. She kneads the dough until it is smooth and then rolls it into a rope. She pinches 5 centimetre pieces. Then she uses a thin iron stick called a ferro to roll each one into a hollow tube, a fusillo. Maria makes it look easy. Handmade fusilli look very different to the dried pasta versions, which are only possible to produce with a machine. They are typical of southern Italy where Maria lives.
E adesso metto la pentola per cuocerli, quando bollo le metto, poi le scolo e le condisco con formaggio e salsa.
Maria says you can leave them to dry for up to 5 hours before cooking them in plenty of boiling water. It's important to test for doneness. Maria likes to serve fusilli with a rich tomato sauce and lots of grated pecorino cheese. Buon appetito! Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.